I am on his side, so the managers, we are alone. So they contact us to try to win, and we doesn't win, so I know what happened.
He has all my respect, so it's unbelievably successful. And I can imagine that the last few months especially were not a joy for nobody, especially not for him as well. It's not nice if you get to face all these questions every day.
It's not pleasant for anyone, and especially it's not pleasant for somebody like Jose that has won so much in the game and so much for this club.
I have a very good relationship with him. He's a very good friend, and always is sad news what happened today.
I can say to you is surprise for me and not good news, because when one coach is finishing his work like that is not for us, for the coaches.
Ja, ich sag nur so viel, jeder Trainerwechsel oder jede Trainerentlassung tut mir persönlich leid und weh, weil ich dort mitfühle, und am liebsten würde ich mir wünschen, dass gar kein Trainer entlassen wird.
He has a lot of experience, he's a tough man, and he's coming back soon, and we are going to play again.